Hello, today we're going to learn how to customize your products in Cedreo. In the furnishing step, once you add a product to the wall or on the floor, like this car, you will be able to customize it. To do so, in the right column, the first option will allow you to modify dimensions and angle of the product. In dimensions, you will be able to modify the height, length, and width of a product. You can change each value one by one. If needed, you can reset your settings by clicking on this arrow. Please note the tab Aspect, Ration, Conservation will allow you to modify proportionally all the dimensions of a product at the same time. In this sub-tab, you can also change the elevation of your product, or you can do this by clicking directly on the purple arrow on your product. In the sub-tab Rotation, you can by default act on a horizontal rotation of your product, or click on the orange arrow represented on your product. In the Rotation sub-tab, a reset arrow will allow you to undo your changes. If you need to customize your product rotation on other angles, like here on a slope, you can activate the Advanced Rotation option. Then, either on the product or in the right column, customize the positioning of your product. In the second tab, Colors, customize the colors and some features of the product. For example, for this car, we will change the license plate and the car's color. Note that a global application assistant will appear once modified, offering you the chance to change all products with similarities, like here for the second car. Many products have their own options to change, such as the image in the frames or the patterns of the carpets. As for lights, you have the option to turn them on or off on your project. Again, the Global Application Assistant will ask if all your lights should be changed to this setting. That's it. Now is your turn. You can contact us if you have any questions. The support team is always there to help.